Hello and welcome to another episode of the Gaming DAG series, which is fast becoming why I'm upgrading my kit for the reasons I do. And it's very pertinent in the current climate of pretty much everything being sold out. So what have I upgraded? Well, I've upgraded two items to my PC. One is the biggest, which is the Ryzen 7 2700X. Now that's quite important because the 2700X is now 2 generations old if you think about the 5000 series. So why didn't I upgrade to the 5000 or even the 3000 series AMD chip? Well, my 1600X, which is the original Ryzen platform, is getting slightly long in the tooth. It's certainly showing its age, and it's not even on the Zen 2 architecture. So anything I upgrade to will be a bonus. So anything I buy will be better, pretty much. And so why don't I go for a 3000 series or 5000 series? Well, that's due to the current climate. I wanted to upgrade now because I currently live in the UK. And things coming up next year is Brexit. So I do not know where prices of a PC equipment and equipment in general will go. But I know one thing, it won't be going down. It will go up. So I'm expecting a price increase because of that early next year. Secondly, why didn't I go for a 3000 series card or a 5000 series card chip? Availability. The availability, because of COVID, because of scalpers, because of everyone do what I want to do and upgrade, has basically ran the prices high in some areas and made things completely out of stock in others. So that's why I settled for 2700K, and with an extra core, extra couple of threads, it should be more than suitable for the next couple of years, which will then mean I'll do a full upgrade from my main PC, and then this one will then go into my secondary PC, backup PC, which you can see a video on why I built that. Second upgrade is a straight performance increase, is the Aorus Wi-Fi card. Now, I already had a Wi-Fi card in my PC and I use it for backup and transfer of data. So this is a straight upgrade to one of the powerful you can get at the current time. It also comes with Bluetooth 5, so that'll be also a very nice boost to my PC, meaning again, I can extend the life of my motherboard because good motherboards now come with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth already enabled. This one doesn't. I've given it that ability. So let's cue the music and get on with the build. And that's it. The build has been completed. And overall, a pretty painless experience upgrading both the processor and also the Wi-Fi card. It was very much a plug and play options. However, I do have a gripe though when it comes to IT companies in general, particularly when it's on the computer side. The general feeling is that their user guides and knowledge of how it all fits together is really, really rubbish. I mean, nowhere does it say I should update the BIOS when I installed a chip, and nowhere in the literature it says the reason why you need to install the USB 2 cable, because it actually powers the Bluetooth card. It just comes with a cable, so it's like, yeah, here's a cable, so you feel that you need to use it. And there's still a USB port on the Wi-Fi card which is unused. So is that secondary? Can I use it for a mouse antenna or something? Doesn't say. And for those sorts of questions, you have to revert. Hopefully somebody like myself on YouTube videos has put something up there to tell you why it's there. And I wish PC manufacturers really sort that side of things out, because then you'll open it up to a huge audience, a big, much wider audience, to get into the PC sphere, rather than necessarily go for Apple or a console or whatever it might be. But gripes aside, I'm really pleased with the two upgrades, and it will certainly increase the longevity of my current setup for easily another 2, potentially 3 years, depending on prices and all that sort of good stuff and where this goes. Anyway folks, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna like and subscribe for more content, and obviously put any comments in below to see how I can improve these things. So long, and thanks to all the fish. Bye bye.